Welcome to this lesson where we will extract images needed to develop our website. So let's start with intro section. Let's zoom in, open up this group right here, intro BG, and now let's hold Control and left click on this rectangle to select this rectangle, as you can see, and have a look at information panel about its dimensions. So here we can see the width and the height of it. So let's press Control N to create new document. The width for it will be 1600 pixels. Whoops, sorry. The width for it will be 1600 pixels and height will be 780 pixels. Control D to deselect it, and let's take this image and rectangle and move it right here. And with these both selected, let's nudge them into the place and go to File, Save for Web. Let's choose JPEG medium, and I will set the quality to 30% and press save, and we will save it in the course files directory. I will create new map called website. Inside of this we will have another map which will be called images, and this image will be called intro BG. Press save. So the next image is this continue icon, but as you remember, we created and saved it as a PNG right here. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it in our images folder right here. Next are the skills images. So let's find those ones. First one is photography, and let's again, by holding Control and left clicking, let's have a look at its dimensions. It's 400 by 400 pixels. So let's create a new document. We can close this and we don't want to save it. Control D to deselect it, and let's take again both of these layers and move this image right here and move it into a place. And again, go to File, Save for Web, JPEG medium. For this I will set the quality to 50%, press save, and this will be skill photography. Save it. Let's take the next one, the illustrations, these two layers, move it here, move it into the place. We can delete those two, go to File, Save for Web, press save, and this will be also skill illustrations. Save it, go back, select the last images from skills section, move it here, can delete those two, select these images, move them into place, go ahead, save for web, save it, skill editing, save them. Close these ones, don't want to save them. Next are these ones for recent projects. So again, Control and left click to get dimensions. Create new document, 1200 pixels and 310 pixels. Control D to deselect it. Let's take these two, move them here. File, save for web. Again, I will leave it to 50%, and these ones will be called recent project BG. I will set it as 1. Save it, go to the next one. The next one was, we don't need skills, we need these projects. So wedding. Next one was this one. Select a BG, those two images, move them to this document. You can delete previous ones. Again, go ahead, File, Save for Web, save them. Recent project BG 2, save them, and this one, let's find it, was this project park, visible BG. I think we can just take this group right here, select and delete previous ones, take this group, move it into the place, save for web, save them, recent project BG 3, save them. Now we have come to these images. So again, hold Alt and right click to target this specific image, and let's again Control and left click to get the dimensions, create new document. The width is 230 pixels and the height is 170 pixels. Create new document. We can close this one, Control D to deselect it, and let's just take all of these images, let's move them right here, and let's align vertical and horizontal centers for these images, and we will save them one by one. Just turn off all of the other groups and again save for web. Can turn down quality to, well, in this case I think 20% because those images are small. Save them. This one will be project extra 1. I will just copy this name, save them, turn the next image on, save for web, save to, okay, turn the next image on, whoops, save for web, save 3, save it, next one was 4th, fifth, and this is the last image for recent project extra, 6th, and save. And the last image is this one right here. So again, Control left click, we see the dimensions, oops, sorry, yes, to this one, Control new document, 1600 pixels and 742 in height. Deselect it. You can take this group right here and move it to this document, move it into the right place. I think it looks good. Save for web. The quality was 30% for this one, and contact us BG. Save it. We can close these ones. We'll be needing them, and it looks like we got every single image that we wanted. And if you remember, we are not going to extract these icons right here because we're going to use Font Awesome's font icons. So that is going to be it for this lesson, and in next lesson we will create all the files necessary to develop our website. So see you there.